Good morning folks, 21st century caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So yes, you're looking at a radiator clothes dryer. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes and colours and can be bought from most supermarkets and places like Wilko for about £2.50, something like that. So I had one of these knocking around the other day, which I wasn't using, and I had a bit of an idea for it when I also found an old paint roller tray which I wasn't using. So the question arises as to what do you get if you cross one of these with one of these, and the answer should of course be an obvious one, shouldn't it? A bird feeding tray. So as you can see, this thing hooks nicely over the back of the fence at the bottom of the garden. It actually fits together very well, and it's held into place using a number of cable ties. The only thing I didn't do, which I need to do, is to drill a few very small holes in there so if it rains the water has somewhere to drain. Here you can see a picture of it filled up with birdseed, and a little dish with some water in it. But the thing is, does it work? So there we can see a rather splendid little robin and a squirrel. So I think that's a success, don't you? Thank you for watching.